Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using a direct wired connection because it's the most reliable, an adapter plus HDMI. First, make sure the TV is on and set to the HDMI input you will use. Then, connect the adapter to your phone, tablet, or laptop. Plug the HDMI cable into the adapter and into the TV. Once done, keep your device unlocked and allow it to stay awake during setup so you can respond to prompts on screen. This prevents interruptions and speeds the process. Once the cable and adapter are connected, you enable mirroring on your device. On a phone or tablet, open Settings right arrow display right arrow cast or screen mirroring. On a laptop, open Display Settings and detect the external display. Select the HDMI output shown. Choose Mirror rather than Extend so the TV duplicates your screen. Make sure you accept any permission dialogues. These allow audio and screen data to flow to the TV. If resolution options appear, pick one that matches the TV for best clarity. Now complete the setup by confirming picture and sound. On your device, set output resolution to match the TV, commonly 1920x 1080 or 16:9 formats, and ensure audio output is routed to the TV. Then test video playback and interactions. Latency should be minimal with a wired connection. If the screen is black or laggy, first recheck cable seating and try another HDMI port. If that fails, reboot both TV and source device, then reconnect. This restart often clears.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.